the first question which will come in your mind, should I start with question number 1 or should I take any question of my choice? The answer is, it's never required to start with a compulsory question. It is your choice. The advice is, you must do the question which you know perfectly well, because we have to secure 40 marks in first hour, and to do this, whatever you know correctly, effectively must be taken up first. So the thumb rule is, you must take up what you know correctly. So you might start with a theory question, the last question, or you might start with a question which you know. In this subject you already know the breakup which is there. The costing part is covered along with operation, along with theory of cost and operation research. So if you see this equation, what you notice, that operation research is something between 30 to 35 marks. So if you have one extra question, this means that the paper is of 116 marks. Why? 100 plus one question of 16 marks extra, out of which you have a choice. So the breakup is something like 60 marks is an area. Here you have theory question also included. So if you take out the theory question, you might notice that this is again 35 marks area, and this is somewhere around 35 marks area. So it's not exact what I am talking, but the structure is something like this. And so what you notice, from copy checking perspective, you can secure more marks into it, because this is very easy. So this should be your choice 1, this should be your choice 2, and this should be your choice 3. You might differ with me. For someone it could be costing first, theory second, and operation research third. The idea is, you must use your time according to your competency. So for someone this is 1, 2, 3. For someone it could be 1, 2 and 3. So why I am giving this ranking? To make you understand and feel your competency area. What does this mean? You might be a strong person in costing, but not good in OR. So accordingly, costing numerical becomes option 1. You might be good in theory, that becomes your option 1.